After learning how to create a backend server using Express, now we're going to learn how to integrate MongoDB with a backend server. Just for recap, in the next video, in the previous video, we learned how to initialize the backend server with npm init and how to ignore some files and folder like .env that record the sensitive data like password and tokens, and we tell also the git to ignore the node module folder, that heavy folder, and the pack, package log.json. So we learned also how to create our, for the first time, our server, how to create a, a end the endpoint for our server. So in this video today, in this tutorial, I will show you how you can integrate MongoDB with a backend server using, we're going to use the local server, the local backup database. We're going to use not a remote database like Atlas, but we're going to use MongoDB in your computer in local. I will show you how to use to integrate MongoDB in local. You see, in local, not in the remote. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's install Mongoose. Mongoose is the package that we use to design our schema. We use it to connect our MongoDB. So in the terminal, we're going to tap the Mongoose command to get the link of Mongo of MongoDB of our database, and we create our database. Let's create database test. You tap use database test, you copy the link, you paste it you paste it here, and there, and here you copy and paste the name of our database in the .env file. Now in the index file, we're going to call our mongoose package. Mongoose require mongoose, and down here we connect our database mongoose dot connect, the name of our database link, process env mongo url, then console log, So we say if the database is connected, display this message. You are successfully you are connected to the database successfully, and if not, it will output database connection failed. As you can see, our database success. Perfect. Now we integrate the app listen in the aba- below console log inside the then function. Perfect. So now our database is connected. You are now connected to the database. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video was very helpful for you. Thank you very much.